it's Susan here from Kawaii no Hime Cosplay, and welcome back to the 20 Years of Anime project, in which we count down to the year 2020 using costumes. Today we're going to be going back to 2007 and making the leggings for Hinata from Naruto Shippuden. To make Hinata's pants, I'm using New Look D0728 and a dark blue stretch knit. Now, when cutting out the pattern pieces, I shortened it to be a little underneath the knee and also added a little bit extra on either side so it'll poof out a little bit. Match a front piece and a back piece together, and a front piece and a back piece together, and then sew them along the side seams. Putting right sides together, we're then going to sew the leggings together along each of the crotch seams. Fold over the waistband and sew it into place, leaving a space open so we can insert the elastic. The next step would be to take some waistband elastic and insert it in the hole from earlier and thread it through the entire waistband, then sew the two ends together. Now, the fabric I ended up using for this ended up being very thick, and in my case, I'm not sure the elastic is really necessary after I tried it on. So I'm just going to sew the hole closed, but if your material is a bit thinner and you want a little bit more security around the waist, you can definitely insert the elastic before sewing that hole closed. Cut some strips of white stretch knit fabric. I have one long one and then one short one that wraps around, and I sewed them on using a zigzag stitch. These are to mimic the bandages that a lot of the characters wear around their leg in Naruto. Without having to use a bandage, I just have it attached to the pants and I'm good to go. Then we're going to sew the pants together along the inner leg seam. To make the cuffs of the pants, we're going to cut two rectangles out of the blue fabric and fold it together, sew it together along the side, then turn it right side out and fold it in half again to create the cuff. Sew the cuff to the bottom of the pant leg, stretching the cuff so that it's the same size as the bottom of the pants, and it'll create a little bit of a gathered effect along the top of the cuff. And with that, Hinata's leggings are done. In retrospect, I probably should have added the elastic in the waistband, but oh well, I still think they turned out pretty well. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!